dropping Swayze. Have some fun, let's see what Gunner can do. Yeah. Nice floaty into some turns. Chunky turns, not bad though. A little roller, little floater. Right into a sweeping left-hander. Heck yeah. Coming here into this nice sweeping right-hander. Let's hit the option line. Woo! Into that left-hand sweeper. Nice short little table to end it. Long right-hand turn. Fun weight over these rollers. Keep it nice and smooth. Heck yeah. Coming in, his brakes. Little switchback action going on. Alright. First little bit of rocks coming into the front gun. Here we go. There, Gunner. There you go, Gunner. Hell yeah. Pop up and over. Really plowing the rocks. There it is. That's Swayze.